In this video we are going to see a basic Python program. So in this playlist I have added few HackerRank solutions, and in order to solve those HackerRank solution we just need basic concepts, right? So I have started some basic programs, like what all the basic things you need to solve the HackerRank solutions or HackerRank problems. So in this video we are going to see about dividing two numbers in Python using the user input. So I have chosen this Programmist compiler. You can just go to Google and then type Programmist Python, and then you'll get Python online compiler. You can just select this one. Okay, this is the one of the best online compiler. Here you can write the code and then you'll get output here itself, so it will be convenient as well. So now what we have to do, our question is dividing two numbers. Okay, you can remove these three. Okay, dividing two numbers. For that, what we need, two variables we have to take the user input, right? So take first number as num1 equal to float. Float. I'm taking float. Why? Because since we are dividing the numbers, we will get the values in the float. So instead of taking int here and then typecasting it again when we are dividing the number, so that will be a very big procedure. So you can just declare the variable or take the input as float here itself, and using the input function we will take the input from the users. So input of enter first number. So whatever you are writing inside this input function, that will be printed on the console. So now num2 is equal to, same again, float of input of enter second number. Okay, second number. We have taken two numbers from the user. Now what we have to take, result. So result equal to num1 divided by num2. Now what we have to do, we have to just print round. I'll use round function. We can just directly print the result as well, but we'll just print. I'll show you the difference between, in between these programs I'll use some Python inbuilt functions just to make sure that you are aware of the those functions as well. Round of result comma 6, and then okay, we'll just go for round now, and we'll see seal, floor, all those in the next videos. Now I'll run this. Okay, result, yeah, run. So we have this is our console and we have to enter the number here. I'll go for some 15, and then enter the second number. I'll enter 3. This compiler is a little bit slow, so you'll get the result. So 5. Okay, so I got 5 and it's 5 here. What is the result here? Round function means, see, when you get a number of this sort, like 3.67 like that, so it will just round the digit to up to 6 decimal places. Okay, round function is for that. And let's execute this again just to check the values. So what this round will do, it will just round it to the nearest integer. Okay, let's give now one more run. Now I'll enter the number as some 17, and then second number as 3. Now see, we got these many decimal places here, and here how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what it does, it will just round this complete, it will reduce the result to up to 6 decimal places. That is the use of the round function. Okay, this is how you have to do the division, and this is the round function. What is the use of round function and what is the round function? Okay, thank you.